Hey there! Have you ever encountered the following problem with a small app running two threads, one sending a UDP multicast packet and the other reading it, but facing an issue on Linux with a recvfrom function failing, even though the packet is visible on Wireshark? This tricky multicast problem can be quite frustrating, especially when it works perfectly on Windows, VxWorks, and even on WSL1. But fear not, we're here to delve into the solution for this multicast conundrum. In the search for a solution to this multicast mystery, it's essential to understand that on Linux, if a socket is bound to a local IP address, it won't receive multicast traffic, even when the multicast group is joined. Here's where the key lies when working with WSL2, which operates as a full Linux virtual machine. Binding the socket to a NAD_any or the specific multicast address, like 239.0.0.1, is a secret sauce to ensure successful multicast communication. This adjustment can make all the difference in getting your app to play nice with multicast in a WSL2 environment. In summary, the multicast roadblock on Linux, particularly with WSL2, can be effectively cleared by refraining from binding the socket to a local interface. Opting to bind the socket to a NAD_any or the multicast address itself opens the doors to seamless multicast communication in your app. So there you have it, a simple yet crucial tweak to ensure your multicast setup thrives on Linux, no matter which environment you're working in. Wishing you smooth sailing with your multicast adventures, and remember, like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts on this multicast saga.